Meaning of dead letter.
Dead letter.
Dead letter.
Dead letter.
Dead letter. A dead letter typically refers to a letter or package that is undeliverable and cannot be returned to the sender. This can happen for various reasons, such as an incorrect address or the recipient no longer being located at the specified address. The term can also be used more broadly to describe communication that goes unresolved or unacknowledged. In general, a dead letter results in the intended recipient never receiving the message or package, leading to frustration and potential consequences for the sender.